Hello, everyone. This is Rhoda live from Canada. It's very exciting for me to share with you the latest dance is okay. It's done by myself together with Helen. And this is a great initiative that we did for the LDF to bring in the World Mental Health Awareness for everybody to know that it is okay not to be okay. And that's the title for the song that we have chosen. How fantastic it is to have the title of the song that fits the slogan that LDF has been preaching on for the whole year in 2020. Now, let me explain the steps to you. So we're going to have a quick tutorial on the dance, and let's come and learn this. We're going to step right to the side, touch it on the diagonal on 2, step left 3, touch right for diagonal on 4. The variation to it, you can actually go row hip and touch and snap your finger, row and snap your finger. That's on the count 4. Behind side cross shuffle is 5, 6, 7, and 8. Second section, step left to the side, take a quarter turn to the right, step right foot out to the side. Shuffle forward with the left foot, 3 and 4. Right foot just the box quarter turn, cross, back, quarter turn right, stepping right to the side, cross your left foot in front. Third section, you're going to do a Lindy basic to the right, right, left, right, rock back with the left. Same thing to the left, 5 and 6, rock back 7, recover 8. Last section, the easy option is going to be a vine to the right, side, behind, side, touch your left foot on count 4. And we're going to do a vine quarter turn to the left, side, behind, quarter turn to the left by stepping left foot forward, touch your right foot, and you're ready to go, and step right out and start the dance again. Section number 4, you can actually have a figure 8 vine to end the dance. So we have 2 options for you. One is the basic vine right, vine quarter. The other one is a figure 8 vine. Let's do the figure 8 vine. We're going to go side with the 1 right foot, behind with the left, take a quarter stepping right foot forward, pivot half turn turning over to the right, take a quarter come back to the 6 o'clock, behind with the right foot, take a quarter turn stepping left foot forward, turning over to the left. And you're ready to start again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's your second wall facing at 3 o'clock. Let's bring the dance from the beginning again with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you start again. 1, 2, 3, 4. This dance has 9 rotation, so you'll be ending your dance facing this way. On the last count, bring a quarter turn to the left by stepping right foot out. Throw your hands up to end the dance with a pose. We hope you like it. It's okay not to be okay. That's the music. And the title is It's Okay. We hope that you will support LDF and bring in a healthy line dance world with this dance together. Thank you.